In our last class, we have learnt about perimeter. Yesterday, we have learnt about perimeter. So, what is a perimeter? Perimeter is the total length around a closed shape figure. Perimeter is the total length around a closed figure. So, what is and we have also learned the formula used for finding the perimeter of a square, triangle, and rectangle. So, what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a square? It is 4 into side. Perimeter for finding the perimeter formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, and square if it is unequal side, so you have to add all the sides. Now today we are going to learn about word problems on perimeter. Perimeter word problem. What we are going to learn? Perimeter word problem. So before studying this one, let us find some keywords which are used for perimeter. There are some words which we are going to use for perimeter. These keywords are around, outside, distance around, total length, that fencing. These are keywords for perimeter. And there are some common situations where perimeter are used, like fencing a park, wall, or framing a picture, length of a wire, rope, lace to put around a figure, and a person going around a field. So these are the places where perimeters are used. Now, when you are doing word problem, we are following the Nado's rule. So first step is to find the numbers and keywords. So you open page number 84. Open page number 84 of your workbook. This one, perimeter word problem. So here one question is there. Question is, what you have to do? Solve the following word problem in your notebook. You have to do in your notebook. So keep your notebook also ready. A square sheet of paper has length of 20 centimeter. What is its perimeter? So there is a square sheet of paper, and you have to find the perimeter. Now here you have to underline keywords and numbers. So what are the keywords? Length. You underline length. Put underline over length. Number is 20. Here square is there. It is square, and you draw first to understand. First, this is a square sheet of paper. Got it? Then length has given that this is 20 centimeter. So this one is 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. This is 20. Square means all the sides are equal, so all the sides will be 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Okay. Now, what they have been asked, what is the perimeter? So you know that the formula for finding the perimeter of a square. What is that? Perimeter for finding, formula for finding the perimeter of a square is perimeter is equal to perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Here side is 20. So you write 4 into 20 centimeter. 4 into 20, it is 80. Answer is 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this square sheet of paper. Understand, this is how we are going to do the word problem. Now see the second question. A picture has length of 30 centimeter and breadth of 20 centimeter. What length of wooden frame is needed to frame the picture? So you have to first you underline the keywords and numbers over here. So length 30 centimeter, you underline this one. Then breadth, underline 20 centimeter, underline, and you draw first. What they have a picture. There is a picture whose length is 30 centimeter. So this is 30 centimeter. Okay, and breadth is 20 centimeter. Breadth is 20 centimeter. This picture length is 30 centimeter, breadth is 20 centimeter. This is 30 means this also should be 30 only, and this is also 30. So this is a rectangle. Now what has been asked in here? What has been asked here? What length of wooden frame is needed to put needed to frame the picture? So they want to put wooden frame over here. So they're asking what length of wooden frame is needed to put around the picture, to frame the picture. So what you have to do, you have to find the perimeter. Okay. So perimeter of a rectangle, you know, perimeter. This is right angle, so you have to put formula for that right angle only. 2 length plus breadth. Okay, twice length plus breadth. So you find the perimeter. That perimeter would be the total length of the wooden frame that is needed to frame the picture. Now here 2 length is 30 centimeter and breadth is 20 centimeter. So 2 30 plus 20 50 centimeter. Then 2 into 50 100 centimeter. So the perimeter of this picture is 100 centimeter. So this much wooden frame is required to frame the picture. If I write it over here, that the length of the wooden frame is needed to frame the picture is equal to 100 centimeter. Right, last. So this is how you have to solve the problem here. A, B, I have told you how to solve it, and C, D, E, you have to do yourself. Now children, perimeter concept is over. Now do you know what is tiling? What is tiling? Have you seen the floor where tiles are put? You have seen that some squares tiles are put and there is no gap between the tiles. That is called tiling. So when shapes cover a surface without leaving a gap is called tiling. When shapes cover a surface without leaving a gap is called tiling. Suppose this is the surface and you are putting tiles over here and like this. So there is no gap between the tiles. So when you cover the surface without leaving the gap, that is called tiling. So all you have seen tiles in your hand, in your home. So today we will revise this concept also. Tiling. Tiling, when shapes cover a surface without leaving a gap, is called tiling. Now see this picture. Can you see this picture? Here what we can see? Here one square is there. It is tiling. No gap is there between the, here no gap is there. Between the tile there is no gap. So this is tiling. Here if you see next picture, what you see? Here there is gap. So it is not tiling. No tiling. Because there is gap over here. So this is also no tiling. This one is tiling because here there is no gap. Okay. This one is not tiling. This one is tiling. And here this is also no tiling because here gap is there in the center. Now, question number 1. This worksheet you open 86. Question number 1. Tick the shapes that tiles. Tick the shape that tile and cross out the ones that don't tile. Here where tile is there you have to put tick, and which don't tile you put cross. Here first one no, so put cross. Then this one tile, yes, there is no gap, so you put cross over here. Sorry, right over here. Here again you put cross. Here, yes, it is tiling because there is no gap in between. Here it is tiling, here no. So again this page number, turn page number, this one you have to do this question number 1, worksheet 16 also. Identify the shapes that are tiling by writing them in the given shapes. So if you see the floor, you have seen not only square, different shapes of tiles are used to cover the floor. So here you have to find the shapes, what shapes they have used for tiling. Okay, so they have done first one they have done for you. In this shapes what they are used, they have used triangle and square. So you write it over here, they have written triangle and square. Now see this picture, what are the shapes you can see which is used for tiling over here. Here they have used square, so write over here square, more than one shape they have used. Then they have used triangle, write on triangle. Then they have, in the center one is 1 2 3 hexagon. Hexagon shape also they have taken. So hexagon, 3 shapes they have taken to tile this picture, picture, triangle, square and hexagon. So write it over here. Now next picture is this one, C1. See here, what are the shapes you can see which is used for tiling? One is triangle, then another one is hexagon. If you see this shape, the dark color portion, that is hexagonal shape. So you write down triangle and hexagon. Now D1, if you see the picture, can you find out what shape has been used for tiling? Here triangle they have used, because this white one is triangle, so write triangle, and these shapes are also there. So this is pentagon shape because it has 5 sides, so write down triangle and pentagon. Next E1, in this what shapes they have used? They have used rectangle, down one is rectangle and top one is triangle, so write down rectangle and triangle. Here they have used which shape? F1. See what shapes they have used. They have used square, they have used triangle. These two shapes they have used. Okay, now G1. In G1, for tiling, what shapes they have used? They have used triangle and square. You write down triangle and square. And see this picture. In this picture, what shapes they have used? They have used triangle and one more shape is there, that is hexagon. Hexagon is the shape which has 6 sides. So children, for today this much only. Thank you.